Hey everyone, back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer files between iPhone and your Windows PC using Link to Windows. Let's get started. First, on your iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Link to Windows or Microsoft Phone Link. Download and open the app on your PC. Open the Phone Link app. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. Both devices will be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the smooth connection. When you open the app on your iPhone, you will see a QR code scanner on your PC. The Phone Link app will show a QR code. Just point your iPhone at the QR code and scan it. Give the app the needed permissions like photos, notifications, and Bluetooth. In few seconds, your iPhone and PC will be linked. Once connected, go to the PC and open the photo section inside Phone Link. Tap on it. Here you will see all your iPhone photos appear automatically. Now simply select the photos or videos you want to transfer. Right click and choose download or save to PC. Files instantly save to your computer. No cable required. To send a file from your computer to your iPhone, open the message section in the Phone Link. Start a conversation with yourself or any Apple contact. Drag and drop the file into the message box. The file will send you to your iPhone through iMessage and you can open or save it. Make sure your iPhone stay on lock during the first setup. Both devices must stay on Wi-Fi for the faster transfer. You can also copy text on your PC and paste it on your iPhone using the shared clipboard feature. And that's all. That's how you transfer files between your iPhone and Windows PC using Link to Windows. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.